In front of me is OnePlus Nord 5 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now tap on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom right corner and click on photo here to take it and add it. If you want to add any other photo that's already on your device, just click on the chosen one. Then send it. If you can't find your photo, scroll all the way down, hit Photos at the bottom left corner, click on all of your pictures here, select Done at the bottom right corner, and swipe up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!